A new beautiful video of Gokbar Dimeji have finally been shared on social media. Also, many new pictures have also been shared. Gokbar Dimeji went to a beautiful beauty salon. Yes, guys. Handsome Gokbar Dimeji went to the beauty salon of Moamarji, his best friend, for the new hairstyle. And a video has also been shared that has been gone viral. So Gokbar Dimeji new video is shared from a beauty salon. He went to the beauty salon of his best friend Moammar and he was looking so much handsome.